While discussing on hypothesis testing, we need to make the distinction between simple hypothesis and composite hypothesis. Whenever the hypotheses are made through one or more equalities, then are simple hypotheses. If instead the hypothesis provides the operators inequality greater than or smaller than, then the hypotheses are called composite. It is very important to keep in mind that hypothesis testing is always about the population parameters. Hypothesis testing means making a decision starting from the sample data on whether or not to reject that certain restrictions that are satisfied by our model. The restrictions that we test are indicated by the expression null hypothesis denoted by H0. Thus, the null hypothesis is a statement that we make on the population parameters. The null hypothesis is always a simple hypothesis. That is, we always formulate the null hypothesis by using the operator equality. It is worth noticing that each equality implies a restriction on the parameters of the model. Some examples of null hypotheses concerning the regression model are H0 beta 1 equal to 0, or H0 beta 1 plus beta 2 equal to 0.5, H0 beta 1 equal beta 2 equal to 1, or H0 beta 3 equal to beta 2 equal to 0. We test the null hypothesis against another hypothesis, which is called the alternative hypothesis. The alternative hypothesis is denoted by H1, and it is our conclusion if, after performing the test, our outcome is that H0 is false. The alternative hypothesis is very often formulated using the operator inequality. For example, the null hypothesis is H0 beta 1 equal to 1. The alternative will be H1 beta 1 different from 1, which is a two-sides alternative hypothesis. Or H0 beta 1 equal to 1 and the alternative hypothesis H1 beta 1 greater than 1, or the null hypothesis beta 1 equal to 1 and the alternative beta 1 less than 1, which are one-side alternative hypotheses.